And Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone. My name is NADHIRAH and here are my members, which is Aina, Natasha and MARIANA SYAH. We are from the same class, which is FTKW5. Okay, so today there is an increasing concern about the rise of health patient in Malaysia. As you can see, in our country, the amount of people who had a risk problem are increasing. I think one of the way to help a Malaysian people live better and longer is a clean environment. When we talk about a clean environment, mostly people might think about cleanliness of air and also water. Air is the most important living things for human. We as a human really need air to keep alive. Sadly, we always forget to take a good care about our air. Mostly people make an air pollution from emission and open burning. From this pollution, there are so many people get sick. So it really shows that air is one of the most important environment that we have to keep it clean. Second thing it is air. Besides air, water also water also important for human because if people drink a dirty water, they might not live longer in a healthy life. I tell you this because I saw an article about an article about this, which is they say that over 780 million people do not have access to clean and safe drinking water. In addition, uh, 2.5 billion people on Earth do not have adequate sanitation services such as clean bathrooms. As a result, that sadly we can see more than 2,200 children die every day due to water related diarrhea. So it really shows that clean environment might give people a good health in a long term. So how about you, Natasha? What do you think about how we can make people in our Malaysia to live longer healthily?
Okay, thank you, Fatinandira. In my opinion, parks and gyms can help ward off seasonal affective disorder, depression, and anxiety. Doing exercise can boost your mood and reduce pain. In the between of parks and gyms, parks is much better than gyms because of its gonna waste of money and make our diet imbalance. Meanwhile, Malaysian rise our health with walking or jogging, hiking and biking. And I have two opinion, which is health education. Health education is the communication of information in the underlying social, economic, and environmental that impact on health as individual. The important is it can lead to accurate health beliefs and knowledge to better lifestyles. Also, education can improve skills such as literacy, develops effective habits, and may improve cognitive ability. That's it for me. What about you, Mariana?
Thank you, Natasha. I'm agree with your point, but my suggestion is affordable medical coverage can help Malaysians live better and longer. Nowadays, many people in society still ignore the importance of medical insurance coverage. Although they are aware that the cost of health is getting higher day by day if they want to seek treatment, especially in private hospitals. In fact, many are aware of the need for medical insurance but do not put it as a priority. There are also stated time constraints to find an agent because they still do not have medical coverage. Not all health coverage is expensive. There are still insurance companies offering comprehensive plans and affordable prices. Okay. Every individual should wisely choose health insurance according to the needs of the desired benefits. Although there are also a handful of individuals still do not know the advantages of having insurance. Here, we will share about the importance of having health insurance. The importance of having health coverage is one of the best ways for individuals to provide financial coverage in order to reduce the cost burden of health care. Um, help policy holders protect and provide financial protection in the event of unforeseen disasters. The health insurance will pay the medical expenses to the insured in accordance with the terms and conditions set out in the policy. So, how about you, candidate A, about the agree which the good point, the best way for the this topic.
Thank you, Mariana. So I think based on the point of you guys give to this topic, I think the best way to keep Malaysian people live healthily in a long term is my point, which is a clean environment. If we had the clean environment, so it start from our surrounding, which is clean environment. So if we keep our clean environment keep clean, so our health is keep healthily.
Okay, so the conclusion, we all agree with the first point, and environmental health is a field of public health that is operated in different ways around the world and can affect physical and mental well-being. Thank you. See you soon.